Righto, so today I'm going to show you how to check which desktop environment and Windows Manager you're using on your distribution, because you might want to change it, or in Linus's case, you might want to reinstall it. So let's get at it. Very simple. What you want is you want to install something called Neofetch. Now, we are going to use the terminal for this, but it's really easy, don't worry about it. If you have any hassles, please let me know in the comments below with installing Neofetch. But it's pretty simple. So what you'd type is you'd say sudo apt install, and this is for distributions that is based on Debian. They tend to use the aptitude package manager. However, if you're using something else, check which package manager you're using and install Neofetch that way. So we're going to install Neofetch. I've already done it here. No, not fetch. Okay. So we press enter, we type in our password, and it installs. Now, mine's already installed, so no issues there. Like I say, if you have any issues, let me know. Sometimes the automatic updating when you just boot in can cause issues with that, but there's a way around it. Anyhow, you run Neofetch, and there we go. It basically just gets some system information and prints it out to the screen. You tend to get your logo there for your distribution, and yeah, that's about it. So what you want to look at is specifically you want to look at your desktop environment. That's the desktop environment, and it has a Windows Manager running along with that as well, and you can even check what theme you have. So if you're looking for something that looks different, you might check which themes are available for your Windows Manager or for your desktop environment and change the way it looks like that. So you don't always have to reinstall something or completely change it. You could just theme it as well. Icon packs even. You can just change an icon pack and it could change the whole look and feel of your system. So I just wanted to show you guys that. So here on this Ubuntu, that is what we're running. We got GNOME, we got Mutter as the manager, and we also got some themes there that you can see. However, let's go over to my elementary OS and run it there as well. So here you can see it's completely different. Okay, Pantheon, which is quite nice, it's good looking. And same window manager, but a different version. And different theme, different icons. So it looks completely different. However, it's still, both of these are based on Debian. So they run very, very similar apps and very similar ways of installing things, troubleshooting things. It's all very much the same, but they do look completely different. So let's go and have a look at some websites. Here we have, here on Tech Admin, we have a list of the 10 best Linux desktop environments. Now, obviously, this is best in their point of view, maybe from the community, some comments, but you might find something that's not on this list that you like. So just have fun, look around, see what works for you. That's, after all, what Linux provides us, the freedom to make it our own, really. GNOME we're familiar with already. KDE Plasma is very popular these days. And they give you some main features as well, and a bit of a discussion as well. So read through that, see if it's something that you'd enjoy. This one's also quite popular, especially for lower end machines, as it's very lightweight. Cinnamon, also very lightweight, very polished, very nice. Budgie, one of the better looking lightweight desktop environments, so enjoy that. And yeah, so if you have a powerful machine, you can install something that looks really nice, with a lot of, like this one, it's got some transparency and things like that. If you've got a decent system, if you're running a very old machine, you can run, lightweight ones, not a problem. Some of them actually look quite good as well. So have a scroll through, do your research, Google for desktop environments or window managers, if you just want to change that. Some window managers have different things that you might want. So you might want to be able to snap into a corner of a screen instead of the half of the screen or something like that. And there's ways to do these things. You just have, it's just a Google away. Also check out the Linux communities on Reddit. They are very, very helpful most of the time. Anyways, guys, that was it. I just wanted to show you a very quick video on where to find your desktop environment and Windows Manager. And just be aware that these things do exist and you can change them without having to reinstall your entire distribution. You can actually change them. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you feel up to it, please consider donating. It would help me out so much. Have a good one.